Hey guys, this is Tim. I just recently got this power inverter from the manufacturer for review. So let's unbox it, see what's inside, and let's test it out. Okay, let's open it up. We have the user manual. Okay, this is a neat power inverter designed to convert 20 volt DC current to AC output current of 120 volts. It's designed specifically to use a 20 volt DeWalt battery or comparable battery. On top, you have the on off button. You also have the button for the LED light that's on the front, which can also be adjusted up or down accordingly. Okay, on the front, you have one Type-C output, you have two USB outputs, and then you have your typical three-prong electrical output. On each side, you have two cooling ports to allow venting. Okay, let's install the DeWalt battery and give it a try. Okay, you can see it's fully green to indicate max. Here's a LED light, very bright. When you press the LED light on, it's 100%. Press it again and it's 75%. One more time, it reduces to 50% and then off. So you have three different settings. Okay, so let's plug in a few things and give it a try. Okay, here's your just typical radio. You can see it immediately powered up. Okay, let's plug in my iPad using the USB port. It says I have 26% charge, so we'll plug this in. And you can see the lightning bolt, the charging bolt, that it's on charge. Okay, it's good for charging iPhones. Okay, another great use is maintaining power to your emergency weather radio. You can see I have mine unplugged currently because I have backup batteries inside here, so it's still running. So let's say your batteries have expired. Or you forgot to put backup batteries in your device. Then you have bad weather coming. Then you have no emergency communication. So then you could use this inverter to power up your weather radio. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Tuesday. And then, of course, a lamp using a 60-watt bulb. Okay, if we look closely, you can see the battery indicator light. And on the right side of the on-off button is the temperature of the inverter. So with this inverter, you have 200 running watts. You have a peak watt of 400. The output on the Type-C and the USB and the typical three-prong outlet is 110 to 120 volts. It does have the under voltage shutdown protection and over voltage shutdown protection. So in the event that you're using a battery that's not rated for this particular inverter, it will not work. And when the battery drains down to less than 14.4 volts, this inverter will automatically shut off. It will not operate your appliance. It is noted in the user manual before you plug anything in, it's important to determine the amount of power your device requires. So you may have to research a little bit. You don't want to plug any devices or appliances in that are too large, such as hair dryers, irons, televisions, microwaves, and so forth. So just be sure and read your user manual guide. So I think this is a great and the perfect power inverter for camping, road trips, emergency situations. And again, it's compatible to be used with a DeWalt 20 volt battery. So if you're looking for a DC AC converter, I highly recommend this inverter.